Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss Salesforce Apex Trigger scenario based question. So let's discuss our first scenario. So today's scenario, write a trigger on contact to prevent inserting contact record if another contact with the same email already exists. So without wasting more time, let's start our coding. Here I have created two separate files for logic. One is for trigger, another is for helper class. Trigger only executed when the logic should run, and helper class contain only the main business logic with the error functionality like checking duplicate emails or adding errors. Came into the trigger portion. So here I have write before insert. So before, basically in this case, we check and stop duplicates before the record gets saved. So that's why we write here before, and insert when user inserted new record. So that's why I have write here before insert. And always follow the best practices with context specific code like trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert. Whatever condition write inside the if, that will be only return true when the before insert will be performed. So here I have called that function like contact helper with that method name. Which method name? Prevent duplicate email with the trigger.new. Here, what is the trigger.new? Trigger.new is the list of new version of the S object record that are currently being processed in insert or update trigger. I use it when I want to loop through the records and access field values. And now coming to the business logic. So here we only prevent the duplicate emails. So always follow the best practices like try catch. If any error occur, so we can get here in catch block. First of all, collect new email IDs. So for that, we iterate over the new contact list and check if con.email not equal to null, then we add that email into the set. Like I have defined here set of string of email IDs equal to new of string and add here in email IDs dot add con dot email dot to lowercase. So all newest email ID I will be add inside the email IDs with lower cases. And here query to check duplicate records. So first of all query like list of contact with existing contact, select email from contact where email in email IDs, and now iterate through the existing contact. And all existing contact email ID I will be put inside the map. So here I will be use string and contact object with of contact. And here I will be check email not equal to null, then add dot put the dot email dot to lowercase with the whole contact, because I have used here map with contact object, so that's why also when I put, so I have used the all contact. And now we prevent the duplicate get email. Now we iterate through the new contact list and check if con.email not equal to null and map contact dot contains key con dot email dot to lowercase, then we throw the error message. Email ID already exists. So now let's time to testing. First create one record with the last name test1 and one email ID. Like test.demo@yahoo.com. Have copied the email ID and save and new. So my first record has been created, and now I want to again create with the same email and another last name. Now if I want to save, so now throw the error. Email ID already exists. So now my code is working fine. If you found my video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. I will be back with more scenario based questions. Thank you.